Hey guys, assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today I have these Teyana Taylor's old school favorite lipsticks, and I know I'm super late to make this video. I bought them when they launched, but I've been really sick, so I didn't get a chance to try them on. So these are brand new lipsticks. I never opened them. I don't know about the colors, but I know these are beautiful neon colors, as you see here. So I'm super excited to try them on. I hope they're not neon, but I chose them online, but I have no idea how they're gonna look exactly on my skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna try them on. So first, a lipstick is in this green box, and I got a man. Okay, and it's green from inside as well as here. So I'm gonna try this, so I need to remove what I'm wearing right now. I need to remove them properly. I was planning to make a video to, show you my favorite shades from MAC. I did not. Oh wow, look at this beautiful shade. It's more like a brown tone. Okay, I'm gonna try this on here. It's pretty. It's actually a pretty shade. Wow, it's wonderful. I'm actually loving it. Such a pretty shade. It's very beautiful brown tone shade, and I love it, and it's actually complements my brown skin a lot. It's perfect. It's a beautiful shade. So yes, so this is how we close it. I don't want to remove this lipstick. It looks that good in real, honestly. If you I don't know if you can tell, like, see the exact shade. This actually look wonderful. Okay, so the next shade we have here is good morning. Good morning. Okay, so this is in yellow packaging. Not yellow, it's orange actually. Matchy, yeah, but I'm wearing yellow. This is not yellow, this is orange. So I hope it's not an orange lipstick because I totally forget about the colors, how they actually look online. I should have made the video like the minute it was launched, because I was super excited, and then I don't know, I just got super. Oh my goodness, this is a wonderful color. This is really pretty pink, a neutral shade. Okay, this lipstick, I don't know, I'm not really happy with the shade on my face. So this color is Good Morning is actually not the best for my skin tone. As you can see, I look so weird, but I'm gonna try on with my lip liner. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try on with this Annabelle lip color. The shade is Stay Sharp. Yeah, I think this is the shade name, Stay Sharp. I don't know, I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, looks a little better. Well, I don't know if I'm not wearing it correctly, but this is the lipstick shade, and I don't know. I mean, if I can apply something on top, maybe it's gonna look better. But right now, it does not complement my skin tone. So if you think, or if you tried it on, and please let me know in the comments down below how you tried this lipstick on brown skin. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so this isn't not like third lipstick lost from this collection which I bought, and I'm not going to buy anymore, I think, because the fourth color was a little purple violet type color, and the shade is a rose in Harlem. Yeah, I'm super blind. A rose in Harlem. Okay, this is the lipstick name. I hope it looks better on me. This is neon pink. Oh, I did not remember that it's a red lipstick. It's a beautiful shade though. I'm gonna try this now. Okay, so this is the final look. This lipstick is actually super nice. Great texture, of course, and the color is very pretty. It's more like an orangey red tone color, if you can see. It's not super red. I mean, it's medium orange, medium red. Like, it's a mixture of red and orange, and it looks so great. I mean, like, I really like it, and it looks good on my skin tone, and I'm glad that finally I got two lipsticks from this collection. But the third one, I don't know what happened. So, well, anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that lipstick, and yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you like three of my lipstick collection from this Ty what Teyana Taylor whole school collection. And don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel, and do watch my other swatches video from MAC lipsticks as well. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.